Hello and welcome to our video on sea monsters, separating fact from fiction in the world's oceans. The ocean is a vast and mysterious place, and throughout history, tales of giant sea monsters have captured our imaginations. But how much of these stories are based on fact, and how much is just fiction? Let's dive in and find out. When we think of sea monsters, we might picture the Kraken, a giant squid-like creature that could destroy ships with its powerful tentacles. Or perhaps the Loch Ness Monster, a mysterious creature that has reportedly been spotted in Scotland's Loch Ness for centuries. But are these monsters real, or just the stuff of legend? While many sea monsters are purely fictional, there are certainly some real-life creatures that could be considered monstrous. For example, the giant squid, which can grow up to 43 feet in length, has been known to attack and eat humans. And the ocean sunfish, which can weigh up to 5,000 pounds, looks like a bizarre creature straight out of a sci-fi movie. So while these creatures may not be as terrifying as the Kraken, they are still pretty impressive. But what about creatures like the Loch Ness Monster? Is there any evidence that it actually exists? There have been many sightings of a creature in Loch Ness over the years, but there is no concrete evidence that it is a living creature. It could be a hoax, or it could be a natural phenomenon. We simply don't know for sure. So it seems that while the Loch Ness Monster remains a mystery, there are certainly some sea monsters that are based in fact. But why are we so fascinated by these creatures? I think part of it is our innate fear of the unknown. The ocean is still largely unexplored, and we don't know what kind of creatures could be lurking in its depths. So we create these stories to try and make sense of it all. And it's not just sea monsters that capture our imagination. The ocean is home to a vast array of creatures that are just as fascinating, if not more so. From bioluminescent jellyfish to schools of colorful fish, the ocean is truly a wonderland. One of the most interesting creatures in the ocean is the giant oarfish. This creature can grow up to 36 feet in length and is rarely seen by humans. It's a truly magnificent creature. Wow, that is amazing! It's clear that there is still so much we don't know about the ocean and its inhabitants. But what about the future? What threats do these creatures face? Unfortunately, many ocean creatures are facing threats from climate change, pollution, and overfishing. It's important that we take action to protect these creatures and their habitats before it's too late. Absolutely. We need to work together to protect the ocean and all of its inhabitants. And who knows? There could be new discoveries waiting for us in the deep sea. We have the privilege of studying the ocean and its creatures. We use our knowledge to better understand the ecosystem and to protect it. Marine biology is a field that is constantly evolving as new species are discovered and new technologies are developed to study them. Marine biologists conduct research in many areas such as conservation, ecology, behavior, genetics, and physiology. They work in a variety of settings, including research institutes, universities, government agencies, and nonprofit organizations. Marine biologists use a range of tools and techniques to study ocean life, including underwater cameras, DNA sequencing, and acoustic monitoring. Marine biology is not only fascinating, but also incredibly important. The ocean is home to countless species that provide us with food, medicine, and other resources. Additionally, the ocean plays a vital role in regulating the Earth's climate and weather patterns. However, the ocean is facing many challenges today. Climate change is causing ocean temperatures to rise and sea levels to rise, which can affect the survival of many marine species. Additionally, pollution from human activities, such as plastics, oil spills, and chemical waste, is harming ocean ecosystems. Overfishing is also a significant threat to the ocean's health. Many species, such as sharks and tuna, are being overfished to the point of extinction. This not only affects the species themselves, but also the entire ecosystem that relies on them. It is our responsibility to understand these threats and to work towards solutions. We can use our knowledge to educate the public about the importance of protecting the ocean and its inhabitants. We can also work with policymakers to implement regulations that protect the ocean's health. So, while sea monsters may be the stuff of legends, there are certainly many real-life creatures in the ocean that are just as fascinating. As marine biologists, we are working to protect these creatures and their habitats so that future generations can continue to marvel at the wonders of the ocean. Thank you for watching our video on sea monsters, separating fact from fiction in the world's oceans. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos on science and nature.